Good afternoon, friends. Thanks for joining. Today is Eid, so Eid Mubarak to all of you. And also, it's International Brothers Day, so happy Brothers Day as well. Few more days to go for the lockdown and things to open up. Most of the places it's opening up, and I think people are getting back to work slowly and steadily, which is good. The shops are opening up alternate days, so that's good again. So once again, good afternoon to all those who have joined in just now. Today on Roaring Cycle Spotlight, we have Mohit Singh, whose ID is Wanders Explorer. He is a rider, of course, and what he loves to eat food. Size बड़ा नहीं है, छोटा ही है, but he's a foodie and he loves to go to places which are less explored or less crowded. And he works in the corporate like most of us. So let's hear it from him. I'm going to invite him over. Give me a minute and stay there till the time. 1 minute. So we are waiting for Mohit to join us.
Hello, ma'am.
Hey, Mohit. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm doing good. First of all, happy Eid to everyone and happy Brothers Day to all my brothers. Just enjoy the day.
Yeah, Eid Mubarak to you as well, and happy Brothers Day to you too. And I hope you are enjoying your lockdown. I know you don't like to sit in one place, but I hope you are enjoying your time there.
Yeah, just trying to manage time and that's it.
Yeah, I hope there is no lockdown for 5.0 now.
That's what we are expecting. Just hope for the best.
Cool. So without wasting too much of time, Mohit, can you give us a quick introduction of yours? We know you're a biker, but yeah, apart from that, what you like to do, what do you do, or what's your hobby? Let us know in a short way, in a brief description of yourself.
Sure. Hi everybody. Myself, Mohit Singh. I'm not only a writer but also co-founder of a chapter called Lycans Mumbai, which was established 1.5 years back in December. So it was a great experience. Not only that, apart from I love to eat food, as ma'am said, I'm foodie, and yes, I am an animal lover. I love animals because that's give a unconditional love. So that's what I love about them. Apart from that, I started my riding when 7 years back. I started with Honda Dio, but that time I was not riding on highways. Just once I went to Karjat with my friend. After that, I got that feeling how it is. So then I bought my first bike, which was RTR 200. The good part was I was so amazed with that feeling. I went to the TVS official showroom at 11:30.
Network is cutting off.
So that's how I started my riding journey.
Cool. So, Mohit, yeah, you said you started with a Honda Dio 7 years back, and so what actually took you to start with riding in the first place?
The thing is, I always have a insight in me that I want to explore the place. So I prior to that, I tried with public transport like by train or buses, but then there was feeling that somewhere the journey is incomplete because if you take a public transport, so the journey it is fixed from one place to another. But when it
Right.
comes to touring with bike and other things, you have
Mhm.
uh, that willingness or freedom to stay anywhere, halt anywhere, and explore the whatever places you want. So that's how I started. And as you had mentioned in my bio, I love to tour but not to speed, because if you see in India, every 100 kilometers you will find a different way of life, the
Mhm.
different like new culture and new food style of people. So that's what I believe. I tour but not speed.
Yeah, I have seen you riding like you don't go beyond 60 kmph or 70 at the most. Like, and I think yeah, a couple of times that you rode with me, I had to like literally push you out. Ke chalo yaar, ab to chalo. But it
Yeah,
was
that
good riding with you in that slow speed. I appreciate your thought process that to tour you need to tour, but you need not really speed to tour.
yeah.
So that's a good thing. So Mohit, since you've been riding for 7 years, you rode a Dio and then you moved on to a RTR and all that, and you have been touring, I guess, for all these while. What is the one thing that you would always keep in your toolkit as a contingency, as or a backup?
As a backup, a few things which I kept. That is the first foremost things which I want when it comes to toolkit and backup is the medical first aid kit.
Mm-hmm.
Toolkit, most precisely, one of the important thing is puncture kit,
Okay.
because uh, I have seen people get injured just because of a single nail went into the tire and they disbalance their bike. So yeah, I know the importance of each and everything. So I make sure I prepare a day prior to the journey wherever I go, whether it is short or long one. And medical first aid kit is very important
Absolutely, I
because
agree
you
to
never
that.
know.
You always need to have a basic first aid kit, like a anti-inflammatory, a painkiller,
Yes.
few gauze, cotton, sanitizer, um, yeah, some ointment that you can apply, and yeah,
Yeah.
bandages. Very, very necessary to keep that with you.
Yeah.
Um, and also, yeah, some burn ointment, like a Bernol or something, in
Bernal.
case you have a burn in your hand. Yeah, very good.
Exactly.
So on your toolkit, you said you definitely keep a puncher kit, but does that include the like if you want to fill the air, पंचर तो हो गया, पंचर ठीक भी कर लिया, लेकिन air कैसे भरोगे?
Uh, for that, like earlier, it was very challenging things, but now you get like that air cylinder. So now
Mm-hmm.
things are very, and that is quite small in size, so very easily carry. You can carry it with just in a bag. So yeah, that is there.
Okay.
So you can do that. Just fix your puncture tire and just push the cylinder in with the help of the tube which comes with it. So the air level will be maintained.
Cool. So Geet is saying that you will blow the air into into the tire with your mouth. So next time this happens, next time you have a punctured tire and if Geet is along with you, I would definitely ask you to ask him to keep blowing into the
Sure, sure.
tire.
I'll definitely ask him to do that.
Yeah, so that we can see how much how much his lungs has the capacity to do it. So yeah. Never mind. Also, yeah. So Savio says you can keep a portable electric pump, which is also a good
Yeah, that is a
device to keep.
good option.
Yeah. Uh, so let's come to your touring part of things. Mohit, tell me one place. Okay, now we know Lonavala, we know Ladakh, we know many of the places which are very common and people keep going there. But which is one place that you think where very few people go, since you go for less explored places? One place which you have gone which is less explored or less known to people in the biking community.
Uh, there are couple of places I have been, but I have not seen much crowd there. So I
Mm-hmm.
believe for people just because it is a short distance, so people might avoid nowadays. So one is the Vandri Lake towards the dam. and if you go inside it, like when you cross that mountain curve and you go inside it, so there is a beautiful place where you can just park your bike after a off-road track. And
Mm-hmm.
apart from that, there is a place in Lonavala, before Lonavala, that is called Kolate waterfall. That is also
Okay.
a very beautiful place. There is a water. The place is quite small but very beautiful, and there is a all you will see around greenery and peace. It's a very beautiful and calm place to chill out with your friends and family if you want to. So
Where exactly does this कुलाटे फॉल
it
come? Like
comes
अभी हम लोग
in
ने तो
Khopoli.
खंडाला देखा है,
It comes in
खंडाला देखा है,
Khopoli.
लोनावला देखा है. Sorry.
Comes in Khopoli.
खोपोली. Okay.
Yeah.
Where exactly in Khopoli? Like हाईवे के बाजू में या
If you
आजू बाजू में?
remember, you have been for a official TVS ride and you halted in uh, a market. If you remember, so there is
Yeah.
a statue of Shivaji Maharaj. So from that you have to
Mm-hmm.
take a right turn and just go inside. So it is
Okay.
quite inside. It is somewhere
Okay.
nearby Salman Khan's farm house.
Okay. I don't know Salman Khan. So, so Siddharth says that उसका ससुराल वहीं पे है. So next time we go to Kolate
Yes, yes.
Falls, we will
We have
definitely
plans.
go to
We have
सिद्धार्थ प्लेस. सिद्धार्थ खाना तैयार रखना, हम जरूर आएंगे बिकॉज मोहित वैसे भी फूडी है और खाना मुझे भी पसंद है, लेकिन वेज रखना मैं वेज खाती
Anyway,
हूँ. Yes, he will go there. So yeah, typically you said Bandri Lake or Colote Falls, but you said there is also like since you're a foodie, okay, इन जगहों पे खाना मिल जाता है?
yes, of course. And I'll tell you one thing. Uh, I have like quite of experience going out when I go to hotel to eat within the city. So I don't find it much comfortable because I feel there is a lot of formality that is done. Serve this first that. Foodie means foodie. That's it.
Correct.
So I prefer to go to dhaba. Like
Mhm.
first think about dhaba, you will get food fresh cooked in front of you and they will serve you better like on the plate. So that's
Right.
what I love about dhaba. I'll tell you one of the place which is very famous, but it is a vegetarian place. It is a Vivek Corner food. When you come back
Okay.
from Vandri towards Mumbai, so when you
Mhm.
cross the toll naka, so it is on the left hand side. It is called Vivek Food Corner. The best part
Okay.
about that place is first thing, it is run by a temple trust, and
Okay.
they also have pet animals which have been rescued. So you can see
Mhm.
there are emus, horses, like couple of animals. They pet them and like safeguard them.
Okay.
And the thing is, when you arrive there, yeah, there is a delay in serving the food because they will make like ready fresh food for you,
Mhm.
not like
Okay.
already food is cooked and they will serve it. They will make it fresh cooked for you, and
Okay.
you will find various kind of stuffs if you want to buy those totally handmade, and
Mhm.
it is like of bamboo, like done with the natural resources, not like plastic or other kind of stuff. So that's
Okay.
what I love about that place.
Great, great. I also love dhaba food, and like Savio says foodie खाना देखता है ambience नहीं, which is very
That's
correct.
what.
Like as long as it's clean and hygienic, just sit there, वो चारपाई पे बैठ जाओ, उन लोग गरम गरम खाना रोटी सेक के सामने सामने बना के देते हैं. That is like amazing to sit and eat, even if it is a very simple food. मी बीइंग अ वेज, मैं ज्यादा मतलब ऑब्वियसली मैं नॉन वेज के तरफ जाती नहीं हूँ, बट जहाँ तक मैंने ट्रैवल किया है वहाँ पे मैंने भी ज्यादा करके ढाबे का ही खाना खाया है, विच इज अमेजिंग अमेजिंग. आई कंप्लीटली एग्री विथ यू ऑन दैट. तो और कोई जगह आप गए हो लाइक दिस इज वेरी आउटस्कर्ट्स ऑफ मुंबई, बट एनी अदर प्लेस दैट यू हैव गॉन टू?
As of like I've been to many places, but those places are very common, like Lonavala, Tamini, then other places towards Kelva. So most of the places are very common, but these are the places which I mentioned earlier. The crowd is quite less, and it's a good time to just find yourself and be at, like calm.
Okay, cool. So, guys, let's plan a ride to Colote Falls.
We
I
have
think
already
बारिश तो बहुत ही मस्त रहेगा वहाँ
we
पे.
have already planned. Post just the lockdowns gets
That,
over, we
that's
are ready towards that.
okay. So you have not invited me, so I'm not going to
You
join
are
you.
always invited, as you know.
That's really great. So Mohit, like I think you're similar. You're the similar age of Geet, who we interviewed last time, and at such a short age, both of you have started. I mean, such a young age. Sorry, not a short age. My mistake. But yeah, at such a young age, you people have started a group called Lycans. How? I mean, how did you go about it? I mean, with setting up the rules, setting up the safety measures, and things like that. How do you
Uh,
think
sure.
rather how difficult it was and how easy it was?
Just I would say it was a challenging task for me. Uh, Prior to that, I was a part of couple of groups, but I first thing I would say before telling about Lycans Mumbai, uh, rules are okay. Like first thing, any person who wants to go on ride on the weekend, the first and the foremost motto and insight of that person will be to ease themselves,
Right.
not to always be bound by the rules. Do that, you have to do this. The thing which is right now happening around, like
Hmm.
if you want to be a part of group, first thing they will say, they will sell their products, merchandise, you have to buy this. Oh, so it is like every group wants to show themselves in a different way. I'm not against that, but I say somewhere it is not necessary.
Hmm.
It is not
Right.
necessary.
Correct. Yeah.
Rules, yeah, I believe very strongly when it comes to discipline, but rules, it is just a burden on people. That is the reason many of people comes in the group and they left informing anybody, because yeah,
Hmm.
they feel that it is a kind of burden, because they just want to ease themselves. So
Hmm.
when it comes to Lycans, I left certain groups because I didn't find it comfortable, and I started Lycans with three people.
Hmm.
But when then I started meetups. So almost for a couple of months, it was just we three people. But we didn't give up. We did ride. We
Hmm.
made meetups. We did it, and
Okay.
now we have
Okay.
20 plus people, and people are always welcome. And we believe
Nice.
in
Nice.
one thing:
Hmm.
rules can be changed uh, with the convenience of the people, because
Correct.
it's always a group. This is a misconception when it comes to a group, that people is known by the group, but I believe group is known by the people.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So that is a
Because if the
misconception.
people in the group are not happy, then they are not going to promote the
Exactly,
group name, or they are not going to stay
exactly,
with the group. Yeah.
exactly. So the first thing what I did, I admin, the term called admin, for
Hmm.
me and for the Lycans Mumbai or Lycans India, all the across 8 chapters. Admin is
Oh, you
just
have
for
8 chapters.
we have 8 chapters.
Can you quickly tell me the place? I mean the chapters where you'll have it.
Lycans Mumbai, Lycans Belgavi, Lycans Mysore, Lycans Pune, Lycans North Bengal, Lycans Delhi, Lycans Bangalore, and we are
Oh
growing.
wow, that's awesome. That's really awesome. I mean, and how long has this group been active?
Couple of years, not more, three
Wow.
four
So
years.
in just a couple of years, you have spread out to 8 other places as well.
Yes,
That's
because there
amazing.
are
That's
certain
amazing.
terms which uh, we as an admin collectively took decisions. We said admin is just for the administrative purpose. He is not a controller. There is a, which
Correct.
I believe there is a difference between a leader and a dictator.
Correct. Correct. I agree
That is
with you. I
the
mean,
current scenario in today's, because when it comes to the ego of the admin, he will decide who will stay, who will not. That's what I don't do. There is a complete
Right.
freedom of speech. Everybody has equal responsibility for the things which happens in the group. So that's what I believe in.
That's really great, Mohit. That's a very level-headed thought, I would say. Otherwise, yeah, like you said, we see a lot of groups. The group admins, setting up their own rules and setting up certain conditions that on based on which you need to stay in a group or you cannot stay in a group. Yes, there are certain ethics that you need to follow when you're in a group, and those rules have to be set and has to be followed. But yeah, no hard and fast thing like you cannot ride alone or you cannot go with another group, you cannot go,
Yeah.
all these things which generally happens around in
Yeah.
many other groups. Even I have seen, yes.
I have seen, like, if so for example, if there is a ride for a particular group and few of the members wants or willing to go for some with some other groups or with their friends, this group get offended because why did the hell you didn't come? It's his choice or her choice. It's very simple.
Great. So Savio says Lycans has been around for like 7 years or so. But yeah,
Yes.
maybe
But
uh,
we have faced a lot of ups and downs, but now we are in a consistent
last couple
uh,
last couple of years you have been more consistent and growing steadily, right? That's great. That's really awesome. So ठीक है, तो Lycans का टी-शर्ट मुझे मिल जाएगा.
already there. I'm just waiting for the lockdown to get over, because you also know since November how the phase was for me. So
Yeah, I know. And I think Geet and Siddharth were praising you that even when you met with an accident and you were like on bed rest for over a month, you still managed to organize the rides for the group and you saw to it that everyone was safe and all that. How did you do it? I mean, घर बैठना है and दूसरे लोगों को बाहर जाते हुए देखना है, तो
it's
that's
just
so.
about passion. It's just about passion. That's it.
Yeah, agreed.
Because-
But then still, अगर मुझे कोई बोलेगा ना कि घर पे बैठो और तुम दूसरों को देखो बाहर जाने का, तो I'll be like all itchy to get out.
yeah, it is there, but unfortunately, I was not even able to sit properly, so it's very difficult to ride a bike. But still, after 2 months complete bed rest, I managed to go out. And still, it is.
So how did you meet with that accident? I mean, एक महीने का बेड रेस्ट मतलब काफी लगा होगा.
I would love to share this. It was just a normal office day for me, and I was just about to leave home. That it all of a sudden started raining. So I thought, generally I go wear shoes and just go. But that day I thought, let's do one thing. I'll put the shoes in my bag and I'll wear the Crocs, so I can change it in the office, which usually people do. And it was raining very badly that day. It was all of a sudden it came. The road was empty. There was a red signal, and I was just standing on the signal waiting to get it turned green. I don't know from where the cab came from behind and just dashed me, and I was almost 10-15 meters flipped in there and went on the corner of the road. Then I
So
saw
you were just standing at the signal and a cab came and hit you from behind.
exactly.
Oh my God, that was like.
And that was also on a service road which was fully empty. Hardly there was a couple of vehicles, not more than that.
Did you put a case on that guy?
The thing was, I was not in that situation, and the guy just ran away. So that's what usually happens.
Yeah, I agree.
But luckily, just a couple of footsteps, hardly 100 meters away, there was a hospital. So I went there with my friends who was there with me. She took me to a hospital. But I thought just wasting on the case, it would be just to treat myself first, because it was a very bad damage which has happened to me.
So one lesson for you, I guess, and for others as well. No matter what, no matter whether it is even a 5-minute ride, shoes, gloves, helmet, ये जरूर पहन के निकलो. You never know what's going to happen, no matter what.
You won't believe that was the day before leaving from office, I had called the person from where I buy gas. I had told him I paid money, just keep my shoes ready.
Wow.
So that was the thing.
So now you do not ride without shoes, even if it is a 5-minute ride.
Even I go to the market, I make sure I wear shoes.
Awesome, awesome. So that's yeah, it's not a very good way to learn a lesson, but yes, a lesson learned is a lesson learned, and I hope like people listening to this session will also learn from your experience that it is very necessary to wear shoes and not slippers or Crocs and the Ketos that they wear and ride the motorcycles, especially the high-end bikes that people ride. Shorts पहन के निकल जाते हैं या कुछ. So yeah, guys, you need to be safe. Do not ever do this. Your parts of your bodies are very necessary because उसके बगैर तो फिर एक महीना घर बैठो and yeah, that's a punishment.
And that was not only a shoes, it should be a proper ankle shoes with good like material, not a soft sport shoes.
Correct. Yeah, I understand. Yeah, perfectly. Yeah. So Mohit, any particular message that you would like to give to the audience? वैसे तुमने बोला तुम foodie हो. Before you give the message, तुम foodie हो बोले, तुम खाना बनाते हो कि सिर्फ खाते हो?
नहीं, बनाता भी हूँ.
कुछ बनाया हमारे लिए कि नहीं बनाया?
बनाई उस दिन तो when I went to the ride, I was the person who was toasting all chicken, this tikka or on the this when we went for the last camping ride. Everybody was enjoying. I was the one who was just waving fans.
वो foodie को खाना बनाने लगा दिया, खाना नहीं खिलाया. That's bad. Next time when you are around, I'll especially tell your group कि भाई मोहित को पहले खाना खिला देना, बाद में खाना बनाना. That's really great, Mohit. Yeah. So now tell us one message or one thing that you would want others to do.
I have two, not one. First thing, when you go for ride, make sure. See, First thing, avoid what people say about you. Oh, he is doing show off, because it's your safety. You have to be responsible, not others.
Mm-hmm.
They are not to do anything with your life.
Mm-hmm.
Wear proper gears, and yes, if any member of your group is not financially that strong, don't force or don't insult them. Understand their situation, and if possible, help them rather than boycotting them. That is not the way a person should do it.
True, very true. Like if someone has a financial problem, help them get financially fit by giving, if any jobs are there or something like
Exactly.
that, or maybe help them around when there is some need. And I think now the situation is going to get much worse because economy has slowed down or almost grinded to a halt, and there are many people who are going to lose their jobs, are going to face a lot of difficulties in their life. So we all should stand together and stick together and provide them all the support that we can.
Exactly.
So yeah, Mohit, that was a very good message from you. So Savia said you're a very good singer.
And one more thing I would like to say is most of the people must be aware. I have participated rides with Indian Army officers officially to create awareness to join the Indian Army.
Very good.
And
Awesome.
I was also a candidate of it.
That calls for a big congratulations and तालियां मैं यहाँ से नहीं बजा सकती हूँ, but yeah.
It's a very special message which I would love to give.
Mm-hmm.
First thing, I have seen people, especially on 26th Jan or 15 August, go and do charity.
Okay.
I am not against them. My question is, are they need those things at those days only? I don't know.
No, definitely not.
So we can do charity in other days as well. Why only on
Correct.
those days? Secondly,
Correct.
when people go for ride, I have seen people who tie up our national flag on the behind of the bike, which is not correct.
Absolutely.
always
I
be on the
completely disagree to that. Yes. I do not like
Should
it
always
myself.
be on front, because it is our national flag and we cannot show our back to it.
Correct. I
It is a
agree to
humbling
that, and
fact.
I am very against tying our national flag to the bike itself. The reason, or to any vehicle, the main reason is because there are, when we go on the road, there is so much of dust that gets collected. That's so much of muck that gets collected, and then also the passing by vehicles. लोगों को यहाँ पे थूकने की आदत होती है. थूकते, you never know what will happen and what can fly onto the flag, which is a very big disrespect to it. So even I am against anyone carrying a flag on their vehicle at any point of time. So yeah, they should. It's absolutely a big no-no for that. So Mohit, let's have a song.
What song you want me to sing? Because I'm very bad singer. Let me tell you first.
No. Savio said you're a very good singer, so
Oh,
I
you will say
Savio.
anything because
No, I believe Savio. So yes, let's hear it from you.
uh, I'm again telling I'm a very bad singer.
That's okay. हम कान बंद कर लेंगे.
What you want me to sing? Give me option. I'll do it.
Okay, guys, give him an option. Give him a song. Quick. तुम भी सोचो.
I have a song which I endorse to my friends, my rider brothers, and especially to my bike.
Cool. Let's hear it.
Right? Go with it. बेख्याली में भी तेरा ही ख्याल आए, क्यों बिछड़ना है जरूरी ये सवाल आए, तेरी नजदीकियों की खुशी बेहिसाब थी. That's it. I can't sing much. This I was actually feeling when I was on bed rest. Actually.
Very okay. Very good. Yeah, you got a good voice, and yeah, you sing well. So yes, next time when we go for a ride or something, you have to sing a full song. So you have to practice a full song.
Definitely, I will love to. I'll prepare myself. And all the people, I would just welcome from Lycans Mumbai. You are free. You can reach out to me. Shilpa ma'am is also a respected member, and it is an achievement for me that she is a member of Lycans Mumbai. And
Thank
you
you.
all are welcome. You can join us anytime. You can reach out to me, you to Geet, Shilpa ma'am. You are most welcome.
Thank you so much, Mohit, for that. Yeah, I do feel honored to be a part of Lycans, although I have not ridden with you guys anytime as a part of a Lycan ride as such. But yeah, hope to soon. We will definitely we will.
First ride to Khopoli, we will.
Yes, absolutely. Let the lockdown open, and yes, we shall plan something and definitely go for a ride during that time.
Definitely.
So guys, like Mohit said, if anyone wants to join in Lycan's group, y'all can reach out to Mohit, or you can reach out to Geet, or you can reach out to even Savio. They are the admins of the group. Yes, and not to forget, for this week, this is Mohit in Roaring Cycle Spotlight. But I want many of you to come on board, share your stories, share your ride stories, one destination where you think people should go to see that place, not to litter around, but yes, see that place, enjoy that place, and come back. Anything that you think if the people are great, or if they have some particular tradition, culture that you think should be spread widespread, or any food joints that you think on the way or over there, or anything in particular that you would like to share along with the destination, please do reach out to me at Roaring Cycles. Do send us a message, and we shall schedule interview with you so that you can use our platform to share your stories and let everyone else listen to it as well. Thank you so very much for joining us on the show, and thanks Mohit once again. Thanks to all those who have joined and made this session so lively by sending in their comments and everything. I hope you all enjoy Eid today. आज generally we go to each other's place. सेवैया खाते हैं, कोई बिरयानी खाता है, कोई कुछ like this is the day. Mohit, you should be missing all this, I guess, because you're a foodie. कहीं भी बाहर जाके आज के दिन खाना बाहर ही होता है किसी और के घर पे, मतलब फ्रेंड्स के घर पे. So yeah, this lockdown, yes, we are not able to do it, but soon enough, I think जैसे ही लॉकडाउन हुए हम इसको और एक ईद जैसे मनाते हैं, और we'll have all the delicacies that are made during this time. So have fun, guys. Happy Brothers Day once again. Enjoy. Brothers are not just only Rakhi brothers या blood brothers या जो भी है, हमारे में एक brotherhood करके होता है बाइकिंग कम्युनिटी में. हम उनको भी तहे दिल से शुभकामनाएं देते हैं आज के दिन का. So yeah, enjoy your day, have fun, have a blast, and I will catch you next Sunday, same time, 12 noon, with another guy or another girl on Roaring Cycle Spotlight. See you soon. Take care. Be safe. Stay home and wait for the lockdown to open up. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much. Thank you to the Roaring Cycle to endorsing me today.
Thank you so much, Mohit, and have a wonderful time. Bye-bye.
You too, ma'am. You too, ma'am. See you soon.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So guys, yes, we are at the end of the show for today. I hope to see you all on next Sunday. Keep joining us and keep promoting our sessions so that many more can participate in this, and you too can participate and share your story. Have a wonderful time. See you all. Have a safe time. Enjoy. Bye bye.